Have you ever felt surrounded by messages, likes, and notifications, yet oddly alone? In today's hyper-connected world, digital noise drowns out genuine connection. We scroll endlessly, mistaking constant updates for real relationships. But behind every filtered photo and clever status is a longing for true belonging. Our culture rewards instant replies and online visibility, but rarely teaches us to pause and listen deeply. It's easy to confuse digital presence for authentic presence, leaving us with shallow ties and restless hearts. Scripture offers a reset. James 1:19 urges, "Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry." God values attentiveness over noise, presence over performance. What if you set aside your screen for a conversation, or listened, really listened, to someone's heart? Try a daily digital fast, 1 hour unplugged, inviting God to fill the silence and renew your connections. Write a note, call a friend, pray for someone by name. As you do, notice how your soul settles and your relationships deepen. Where is God inviting you to trade digital distraction for a moment of genuine connection today?